Question number 3. Cynthia is asking, what are good price points for my upcoming in-person vendor show? An in-person vendor show is a blessing. Cynthia is selling jewelry. Jewelry is a pure emotional purchase. I have seen women buying jewelry. If they can afford it, they will buy as much as they can carry. So having a vendor event allows you to maximize the amount of earrings, amount of jewelry your clients will take home from your vendor event. So the price for your jewelry will be the same as the price on your webpage. I would not say you need to change the price points, etc. in terms of changing the price. It is always COPL times 5, at least for jewelry. It should be, as a matter of fact, COPL times 12 for decorative jewelry. I'm not talking about the precious metals. I'm talking about the decorative, non-precious metals jewelry. So you will have the very same prices, but you will need to be creative with your offers. So the offers should be different. And these offers, please design several offers that will help you to maximize the amount of earrings your clients will buy. Make an initiative for your clients to purchase more than one. Make an initiative for your clients to purchase 5, 7, or 10 pair of earrings. How do you do that? The first thing, what you can do is you create 3 bundles. The first bundle, the second bundle should offer to the clients the best deal, so to speak, so that clients always mostly go for the second, and maybe they go for the third. For example, the first bundle could be 5 pair of earrings at $50, the second one 8 pairs at $60, and the third bundle would be 10 pairs at $90. So most people will go and purchase 8 pairs of earrings from you. You can also gamify it, since you are there with your clients face to face. So gamify it and say that you are giving a special price for a bundle of earrings. So if your clients are purchasing more than 3 earrings, for each and every earring above the 3, you are giving them a special price if they can name to you the name of a family member who they want to celebrate with this earring. Let me see. I love this sweater. This, Chantal, this sweater is by Tenas, one of fashion vendors I'm working with. She's incredibly talented. Thank you. EDBQC, Deutsch. Q&A ist nicht auf Deutsch, also wir reden hier Englisch, sodass alles verstehen können, aber Fragen kannst du auf Deutsch stellen, kein Problem.